All right, the very first example is to find the function values once the function's description is provided to us. So in this example, f of x is the square root of x plus 5. We're going to find f of -4. So in other words, -4 is our input, and we're going to find the image of that under f. So let's do it. So all we're going to do is we're going to sub -4 in the description of f. So that's going to be the image of -4 under f. All right, let's do it. -4 plus 5. Once you plug in -4 for x here, so it's square root of 1, and that's exactly equal to 1. So in other words, f of -4 is 1. In part B, let's look at f of 11, and we'll do the same thing. So 11 plus 5, square root 16, and square root of anything is always positive. So this is 4 squared, so square root of 16 is going to be 4. Part C, we are asked to find f of 4, right? F of 4 is going to be what? The square root of 4 plus 5, exactly equal to 3, because 9 is 3 squared, and square root always gives out a positive value. That's 3 here. So part D is slightly different because there's no number provided to you as an input, but it's just a variable. So we're going to follow the same way to handle this problem. Okay, so this time we're going to replace x here by this input, which is x plus delta x, but the full thing. So whenever I see x here, I'll replace it by this input. And that's the image of x plus delta x. Okay, and finally, in part E, we're looking at f of x minus f of 4, all divided by x minus 4, while f of x is just given as x square root of x plus 5. So we just carry that forward. F of 4 is 3, so why don't we use that? And then divided by x minus 4. All right, so this is a rational expression. You can simplify this expression if you want to, because this is square root, this is -3, and then you have another one here. So the way we simplify it is like we multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of the numerators. What is the conjugate of the numerator? It's x plus 5 plus 3. So when you do the multiplication of the numerators here, so root x plus 5, root x plus 5 gives you x plus 5. So the square of this term, in other words. And then minus square of 3 here, that's 9. So the product of the numerators would be like x plus 5 minus 9. And then in the bottom you have, all right, so you can cancel out plus 5 and -9. It's x minus 4. But as you see, this expression is exactly the same as this one. So from algebra, we know that you can cancel out those same terms. And then you have 1 left at the top after the cancellation. So the whole expression is reduced to 1 over square root of x plus 5 plus 3. That is the end of the video. If you have any question or comment, please put down the video. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.